Hi, my name's Arky and I'm a mechanical engineer at Arky. The way we use spaces and the way they operate has changed significantly over time. The most obvious example of this is the coronavirus pandemic, which has been a massive disruption to the way we use the built environment. There have also been more gradual changes, like a trend towards more open plan offices or hot desking to create more collaborative workspaces. As we navigate these disruptions, and also as we see how the way we use buildings changes over time, I think it's interesting to consider what we can do as designers to ensure spaces are as flexible as possible to meet the needs of users today, but also for generations to come. I think at the heart of this lies three key pillars. Buildings need to be safe, they need to be smart, and if we want to protect them for generations to come and align with the values of occupants, they need to be sustainable. There are many ways to create smart spaces that incorporate these three pillars. We can look at data-dense buildings that have digital twins for asset management, or applying machine learning for plant optimization. We can use more touchless technologies to make spaces more hygienic and secure, things like self-cleaning handrails on escalators. When it comes to mechanical services, we can use smart zoning and high-quality filtration and humidity control to minimize the spread of pathogens through the workplace, and also generally improve people's health and well-being. We can design spaces that can be used for multiple purposes, or can be rapidly adapted to suit new needs. I think we also need to think of space ideation at the precinct level. For example, we can apply the widespread use of green infrastructure and natural systems, including using indigenous knowledge systems, to create urban microclimates that are not only good for biodiversity and climate resilience, but also for user experience and well-being in the space and moving through the space to their destination. We also need to consider access to transport and services, things like creating the 20-minute neighborhood where most of your daily needs are within a 20-minute walk from home. We need urban links that are safe and well lit, pathways that are intuitive or intelligent wayfinding. We should also be incorporating more circular economies, things like central waste management systems that allow waste management and recycling and upcycling at the local precinct level. I think this long list of incredible opportunities shows that we're not looking for one game-changing idea here, but it's really applying 100 different things that each on their own can make even a 2% improvement. I think taking all of these factors into consideration leads to a holistic approach to designing for user experience, not just today, but for generations to come.